Hello all, welcome to TECHNO. In the section of working with Python, our today's question is write a Python program to calculate the length of the string taking dynamic input from the user. Last time we had used static approach, this time we'll see how to use dynamic approach to find the length of the string. Basically here we are focusing on using the length function and using the input function for getting the input from user. So combining both we'll be using and we'll code for this. So first we'll take a string, a variable that we are taking, and we'll use print this will not let print statement use line print command. Basically we are done with it. Just import. That will also work fine, I guess. We'll run the code. You can see over here it's asking for the string, so we'll use TECHNO stick. You can see it's giving the length of the given string is 12. So this is how you can ask the user to give the input and then you can count the length of the string. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content from TECHNO. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.